fashion time.
What's good, you guys? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now, if this is your first time ever being on my channel and seeing this face, then welcome. What's good? My name is Michelle, and I make fashion and beauty content. So if you like content like that, be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and turn on your notification bell while you're at it so you can be notified for every video I upload moving forward. So y'all, I'm so excited because like I told y'all, hair reviews are coming back in, sweetie. It's been a minute since I've done some. You guys would have recently seen my Dawn Millie one. Now for today's video, we're collaborating with ISHOW hair, and this is my first time ever working with them, and it's been a really good experience so far. They reached out to me. I actually learned about them from a previous corporation. So yeah, so when they reached out to me, I was down. So this is the hair, you guys. It's super cute. So they sent over a 4x4 closure unit, and it is, I don't actually know what origin it's from, so I don't know if they sent me Brazilian or whatever, but it is a body wave unit, and they sent it to me in 24 inches. So it is a true 24 inches, and I just have it curled. Before I used a curling iron to curl it, and y'all, it holds a curl for days. You don't have to put in any hairspray or anything like that. So I didn't even have to do anything, but today I just decided to do some heatless curls. It just looks really cute and effortless. As far as it goes for customizing the unit, the most I did is I bleached my knots and I plucked the front. So as you guys can see, I just plucked the lace front, as you guys can see. I see that. So I went ahead and I plucked it, and then I just added layers in the hair. So, you know, as you guys can see, here are some like face framing layers, just really nice. And I think layering your hair really takes it from like 0 to 100. Like apparently it does, because I never actually layer my hair. I always curl my hair like this, but it never looks this good because I don't layer it. Now I'm about to be layering everything because everyone already knows this is like my signature look. So I'm so excited to layer more hair. If you want to see how I did that, I do have a video basically showing you guys how I install this hair and how I go from looking hit to it. So if you want to see that video, then again, turn on your notification bell so you guys don't miss it when I upload it. But yeah, so this is this hair. This is the box it comes in. So this is the box, and it just says ISHOW hair. On the back, it's just hair care instructions. I mean, just how to take care of your unit and how to clean it and stuff like that. And then they gave me some wig caps. We love that. It's not really the tone of, you know, my scalp. So yeah, I would have to go ahead and put foundation, my skin tone in there. But yeah, so this is the hair. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Now my length, like I said, is 24 inches, so it cost like $182. As far as I see right now, when I go on the website, it looks like they are having a flash sale, so definitely be sure to check out the links down below in the description box. And if I do have any like coupon codes or anything like that, again, all of that's going to be down below in the description box. When you go on the website, I just want to show you guys what the unit looks like, so if you want to know if you're buying the correct unit, you can know. So this is what the unit looks like online. Super cute. Like I said, they are having a flash sale. So my unit is currently, and my length that I have in is currently $182. And if you want a shorter length, I think it goes as low as $53 for a unit, just depending on what length you want. This does go up to 26 inches, so the choice is really yours. But yeah, so this is just what it looks like. Again, I did pluck the front, and I did go ahead and pluck a little bit of my parting, but I just want you guys to see if I come up, I mean, like really you can part where you want. Again, with the bleach knots, like, it looks really good. So remember, it is a closure, but I mean, it just looks really good, y'all. I'm here for the closure units. These closure units are so easy to install, like, and so fast to install, so I love it. As far as it goes for hair quality, it is very soft, y'all. Even when I washed it and everything, I was still surprised at how soft it is. It doesn't tangle, which I'm so happy about. Now, as far as it goes for shedding, I do experience some shedding, so I will say that. So yeah, ever since I layered the hair, I just noticed that the hair doesn't really shed as much. So I really do like that, but no tangles at all, y'all. Like, literally, I don't get tangles, so I'm so happy about it. This is a great everyday hair. I think the density is really nice, and I just think it looks really nice on my face shape and everything like that. I did go ahead and I did actually dye this hair black. I don't know if I used jet black. I can't remember. I'll just insert the picture of which dye I used, because I can't remember if it was just a black or a jet black. But I did go ahead and do the watercolor method on this unit, and as you guys can see, it did not tint the lace or anything like that. So again, if you want a video on that too, on how not to tint your lace and actually get it a little faded or anything from watercolor method, then again, give this video a thumbs up and let me know by commenting down below. But that's it for this video. I really would like to work with ISHOW hair again. Would I recommend this unit? Absolutely. I've been wearing it for over 2 weeks, and that's been consistently, so I've been wearing it every day to work, and it looks really nice, and I feel comfortable at work. I don't feel like it's like napping up or anything like that, and it just looks really, really good. I don't really try to sleep in this unit, but other than that, it's such a glam unit, and I really like it. It's lightweight, so although it is long, it's not too hot or anything like that for the summertime. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask me a question down below. Again, everything's going to be in the description box, like I've said for like the 3rd time. But yeah, I just want to reiterate that. But again, shout out to ISHOW hair, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Again, don't forget to tell your mama, your auntie, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, and your grandma to join my family, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Much love. Bye, y'all.